I'm Latrice Wickley. I am a 9th grade math teacher at Cambridge High School in Antioch, Tennessee. And we had the pleasure to have founder of YB.Normal, Logan Taylor, to come speak to our students, our freshman academy. And I thought he did an amazing job. He really grabbed their attention, and with his testimony, with his personal story and his transparency, I could tell he really grabbed the attention of the students. I'm hoping that it will spark a change in them, and I'm so excited to have him come back. And it just really touched me personally, just the things that he said, how to just keep pushing through no matter what your background is and where you come from. Do not be a victim of your circumstances. He talked about value, and I think that a lot of freshmen or just period kids struggle with knowing their value, and I like the representation that he did, and so it was an amazing job, and I'm just ecstatic, and I can't wait to have him back. Thank you.